to see if it works better in a tall glass or a smaller glass. So first of all, we're going to put the oil into the glass. Then next, we're going to put in some water. Now we're going to add some blue food colouring. Next, we're going to add the seltzer tablets. Too fast. See, it starts to be like a lava lamp. Okay, so we'll put it into the small glass and see if it works as well.